Okay, today's problem is an inductor of quality factor 10 is connected in series with a capacitor having quality factor of 100. The overall quality factor of circuit is. This is the question asked in TSS PDCL, Telangana State Southern Power Distribution Corporation Limited, 2015. This problem is something interesting, that's why I am solving. ABCD options also given. So what is the data given? Quality factor of inductor means any inductor equivalent circuit is resistor in series with inductor. So this is RL. Capacitor equivalent circuit is R and C. So quality factor of inductor is 10 given. Quality factor of capacitor is given as 100. If both are connected in series, what is the overall quality factor? That is the question is asking. Now quality factor of inductor formula is omega naught L by R1. I am taking some value R1, that is 10 given, equation number 1. Quality factor of capacitor is 1 by omega naught C R2, because this resistance need not be equal, so I have taken R1 R2, but general formula is omega naught L by R, but here it is R1 R2 I am using and it is given 100, equation number 2. So if you connect both in series, what is the series overall quality factor is omega naught L by R1, this is R1, this is R2. So omega naught L by R1 plus R2 I can use, or 1 by omega naught C into R1 plus R2. Any one of the formula we can use it. So in this omega naught L is what? 10 into R1. So 10 into R1 by R1 plus R2, and take R1 common, you will get this. Now if we divide 1 with 2, 1 divided by 2. So this by this, omega naught L by R1, and dividing by this now it will come to numerator, omega naught C R2 equal to omega naught square LC R2 by R1. But what is omega naught formula? Omega naught is 1 by root LC na. So omega naught square is 1 by LC. So this value is 1. This value is 1. So what is remaining? Only R2 by R1. And what is the quality factor of this is 10. Quality factor of this is 100. So it is 10 by 100 equal to 1 by 10. And this R2 by R1 is 1 by 10. So this you further simplify, 10 by 1 plus 1 by 10, simplify, you are getting this. So 100 by 11 is correct. 100 by 11, option A is correct. So this problem is asked in which topic? It comes under resonance. It's application of resonance. So this is something interesting. So that's what I solved. Thank you.